Welcome to today's presentation. A massive US $25 billion tourism expansion program envisioned for Jamaica. Some of the key features of the programs are A. 100 brand new all-inclusive hotels averaging 1,000 rooms each to be built. B. Each hotel costing US $250 million to be built, totaling US $25 billion. And C, franchises for the 100 hotels will be given to FDIs, that's foreign direct investments, over the next 10 years. And D, 300,000 poorly educated adults to be employed in the massive tourism expansion program in Jamaica. Now, these 100 large hotels will not be built in congested tourism areas such as Montego Bay. They will be built in areas with high unemployment to cater for the low-skilled population around Jamaica. These are mature adults in their 20s and upwards who have very little chance of going back to college to get a diploma. These adults still have 30 to 40 years before they reach retirement age, and many have children to take care of. However, they have very little chances of gaining permanent full-time employment in their local communities. Hence, gaining permanent full-time employment in or near their communities would enable them to school their children properly, etc. These 100 hotels will not cost the government of Jamaica a penny to build, as the hotels will be built by foreign direct investments. Up to 100,000 Jamaican youth will be employed during the building of these 100 hotels, along with the other infrastructure construction works going on within the tourism expansion program. A HART will be tasked to create new training centers across Jamaica to train an extra 10,000 youth each year for the construction industry during the 10 years tourism expansion program. The figure of US $25 billion to build the 100 hotels was arrived at based on the cost of US $500 million to build the Princess Resort Hotel of 2,000 rooms in Hanover. Also, the cost of US $250 million to build the H10 Hotel of 1,000 rooms in Trelawney. Hence, US $250 million to build one hotel with 1,000 rooms equates to US $25 billion to build 100 hotels with 1,000 rooms each. The government tend to boast a lot about taking a few hundred of the brightest students in Jamaica each year, then give them further training with taxpayers' money. Now, while that may be needful in some circumstances, yet there are tens of thousands of poorly educated youth leaving school each year. These are the youth who need the most attention. The bright kids who leave school with 5 or more CXC at good grades, they would have gotten employment anyways, whether or not the government intervened. The ones left behind are those that will fall into crime and violence. Hence, it is a good idea to create employment for them through foreign direct investments during a massive tourism expansion program. The education system in Jamaica needs to be fixed. But even if the education system in Jamaica were to be fixed and become perfect for the start of the next school year, 2024, it would only benefit those who are entering early childhood education and primary school. Many children who are currently in high school and those who already leave high school still have up to 50 years before they reach retirement age. These are the 300,000 people whom the government will use to turn Jamaica's fortune around from one of the poorest countries in the Caribbean to become one of the richest countries in the Caribbean. See my notes in the description section below and in the comments section as well. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister. God bless the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.